Meet Christopher Latham Scholes, a newspaper editor who changed the world by inventing the first practical typewriter in 1868. His typewriter had characters printed on metal bars that hit an inked ribbon when keys were pressed. It also unveiled the now iconic QWERTY layout, a feature so seamlessly integrated into our everyday life that we often overlook its remarkable origins. Isn't that astounding? In 1873, the first commercial typewriter was manufactured by E. Remington and Sons. The typewriter wasn't just an invention, it was a catalyst for societal change, increased business efficiency, and created jobs for women as typists and secretaries. As centuries passed, typewriters evolved into electric, then electronic versions, and were finally replaced by personal computers. Still, every time you type, remember it's a legacy from the classic typewriter. Such is the story of the typewriter, a machine that's legacy lives on every time we tap a key.